Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Aarthi. Today's video is a really exciting one because I'm going to do a first impression on my newly launched YBP Cosmetics Color Creams collaboration with our own Shreya Jain. I was too excited because come on you guys, I think this is the first time a brand is collaborating with a YouTuber in India. And it's Shreya Jain, and I'm very happy. And Shreya, first of all, congratulations on your first collaboration. You look so amazing. I was literally waiting for this product to launch. As soon as she announced that it's going to be a collaboration and she's gonna launch her own collab product, I was waiting. And on March 15th, they launched on their YBP website, and I placed the order immediately as soon as they went live. If you guys ordered the product on the first day, then you will get the handwritten note from Shreya. I got the handwritten note from Shreya. Here she has written, "Hey Aarthi, I'm so glad that you'll be trying out the YBP X Shreya Jain color creams. I hope you love them as much as I do. Love XOXO Shreya." I really like this thank you card. It feels so personal. And not only that, I even got a chocolate, you guys. And all of these things came in this cardboard box, says YBP. This is how the packaging of the Goddess color cream looks like. So basically they comes in 4 different color cream shades. So one is in the shade called Princess, Mermaid, Witch and Goddess. Now this Goddess shade is a beautiful champagne gold highlighting shade. Basically color cream can be used not only as your lipstick but also as your blush highlighting color for highlight purpose. Otherwise the other color you can use it for the blush, for your eyes and also for your lips. This product can be used for the woman who is always on the go, who don't want to put lot of makeup on everyday basis. You can actually work with one product as your eye makeup, lip makeup and cheek makeup. So that's the concept. And as I said before, there were like 4 shades, but the one shade which stood fall to me is the Goddess shade, because of course it's for highlighting and I love highlighting. Look at that shade, you guys. This is how it's gonna be looking. I am very excited. I have not tried it yet, so let's see the consistency in a bit. But for now I'll be discussing about the packaging. Front, it has mentioned the YBP, the Goddess Shreya Jain. On the sides they have mentioned lip, cheek and eyes. On the back it has mentioned it's paraben free, talc free, and this is a cruelty free product. Below of the packaging you can see the ingredient list and net weight and price. So this color cream retail for 1200 rupees, and this particular one, the Goddess shade, is for 14 grams for 1200. The expiry date of these color creams are going to be for 2 years. If you have a doubt whether it's going to be limited edition or a permanent collection, this is going under permanent collection as far as I know. So I also noticed that the other color cream shades are for 18 grams whereas the Goddess shade is for 14 grams for the same price. That's the only thing I'm not sure. I'm really excited to see how the consistency is going to be and everything. And also I'm going to explain how I am going to use it. So let's open the packaging. So while it is sealed, I'm ripping it off. How the packaging looks like, this is how it is, how the color cream looks like. Nothing more in the packaging. It's like a tube, squeezy tube. It says YBP Shreya Jain on one side, on the other side it is YBP color creams. A little goes a long way, that's the concept. So you don't need to squeeze out a lot to apply onto your face, unless if you want to glow like a disco ball, then it's your choice. But if you want to have a subtle highlight and enhance beautiful highlighted look, then you can take a little bit on the back of your hand. It will set like a satin semi-matte finish. So this product does not concentrate about the transfer proof. It is not a liquid lipstick, or it's not like a transfer proof product. This is beautiful, you guys. There's no glitter particle, but it just gives a beautiful sheen. I have combination plus sensitive skin. So I'll also explain now itself what I'm going to do. I have moisturized my face a little bit, but further I'm going to moisturize more. So I'm going to use my moisturizer. I'm going to mix this color creams with the moisturizer to have the overall subtle glow. And then I'm going to mix a little bit of this with my foundation also. And then after that, after concealing and everything, before setting my face with powder on this side, I'm going to apply it as my highlighter. extremely dewy. I'm not used to see myself being this dewy, but it looks cool, you guys. So this shine is not only with the mixing with foundation, but also I used it with the moisturizer. That's why I'm gonna set it with powder on this side. Only on this side I'm gonna set. Okay guys, now I'm going to set my face only on this side entirely, because I want to see how it's like gonna maintain the dewiness or not. I'm not using any compact, just using translucent powder. So as you can see, I applied translucent powder on this side to see the difference. This side is entirely completely dewy, whereas this side is kind of mattified but not completely. I still can see the shine here. I like this side more with the setting with powder. It just makes even more better, setting with the powder. I feel it's not gonna transfer. I'm not gonna use any powder on this side at all. Okay guys, now coming on to the eye makeup, I'm just going to use this as my eyeshadow also. So this is how it looks with the one layer. Just gonna apply a little bit more. I'm not gonna apply any powder eyeshadow over this one, just to see how it's gonna face. As I have applied as my eyeshadow, as you can see, I have applied it on my lids. Thing is that they are not that vibrant. I definitely feel that we have to set it with the powder eyeshadow to make it last longer and to more show the vibrancy of the color. There's a little transfer on the transition, and if you're having oily eyelids, the powder eyeshadow you have to set it, otherwise I think it's gonna crease. Now it's time for the highlighting, and I'm taking a drop. Love it. It just gives that wet look, you guys. We're gonna use a brush, a synthetic brush, and just see. And remember guys, I have applied powder over this side, so let's see how it's gonna work. It is so pretty, you guys. It just applies beautifully even on the top of the powder, translucent powder. Oh my god. And this brush, synthetic fluffy brush, it is so perfect to apply. I'm glowing. And I'm also going to apply it as my brow bone highlighter. Why not? We'll just try it. Okay, that is so pretty. Lastly, for the lips, this can be applied as a lip topper. And to seal the deal, I'm going to apply gloss over this so that it just looks even more pretty. As a lip topper, I am loving this. Oh guys, this is my complete look with the color creams in the shade Goddess. I've been sitting with this makeup for a while now. First of all, my face looks extremely dewy, which I really like. But I like this side of my face where I used setting powder. This side is looking nice, but it's way too dewy for me. And also, if you are living in a humid climate like mine, it's not gonna last you for that long, if you don't set it with powder. And even as an highlighter I applied after the powder, it blended it so well. I used a brush to apply and I really like it. Can you see there's no patchiness or anything? And as an eyeshadow, I like it. It is not that vibrant on its own. If you have oily eyelids, especially like mine, then you have to set it with the powdered eyeshadow to show that vibrancy. I love it as a lip topper. So I applied a nude lipstick, and over that I applied this and gloss. Even without gloss, this looks so pretty. So overall, I really like this product, and it goes a long way. You have got a lot of product, and I think I will be using this more often as a highlighter lip topper. I am very happy with the shade purchase. I'm glad that I got Goddess. These are the final thoughts about the color cream in the shade Goddess. I hope you all found this video useful. If you really did, then do like, comment and subscribe to my channel. And do follow me on my Instagram. I will see you all soon in my next video. Bye.